What's up, everybody? We are actually in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Go check out the Corvette Museum. What? We're going to Corvette Museum?
Hot damn.
Hot damn, y'all! We're about to walk into the Corvette Museum. Let's see some Corvettes. Corvettes. We have our map. We are here. Walk this way, and that way, and that way. Oh, that way. Anyway, we're gonna lose the Corvettes. I know about the C6 Corvette. It was awesome. It was cool. V8 power, yeah. But what I didn't know was the history of the Corvette. This is pretty cool. 1958 Chevrolet Corvette. One of four that were hand-built. Serial number, which essentially makes this car number 2 of the first 4 hand-built ever made. And it's freaking gorgeous. Yeah, this is actually pretty cool. It's like a digital touchscreen, but when you change the little badge that shows you what you're looking at, it brings it up on the TV. So let's grab it everywhere. So I guess, oh, it's got these little cue cards on. Oh, that's cool. So this is pretty cool. This is the actual car that at the time set the Nürburgring lap, beating out the GTR and a Pagani car and everything, running a 7-minute 19 and 63 thousandths of a second lap, which is pretty crazy because now if you think about it, there are much faster cars, but for a production car to do that, that's nuts. A bare shell Corvette. This is pretty cool. 1986 Indy concept, Corvette Indy. And only 2 of these exist. Apparently there's a functional one, which is this one, and then a completely fiberglass display model. This is pretty funny. So this is the steel hood, which weighed just at 31 sub 1 pound. This is the carbon fiber one, that weighs at 20.5. That's pretty nuts. So this is cool. I guess this is where they do Corvette restorations here in the museum. Nice. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle. So a part that I'm actually really excited to see is actually the sinkhole damage that happened to the Corvette Museum, I think a year or 2 ago. So they have all of that on display, which I'm about to show you, and it's really intense. Oh, this is kind of cool. So it's an interactive display where you push the button and it shows you where the car fell on the display. Yo, rocking the BBS turbo fans. Ooh. Are you a fan of the turbo fans? Well, unfortunately, not all of the cars were able to be saved after the sinkhole accident. Ugh, hate those cars. This actual ZR1 fell into the hole, but was restored by the factory, and is actually amazing. Apparently it had damaged cracked carbon fiber ground effects, side door panels, damaged front fenders, cracked windshields, hoods, everything, a lot of exterior damage. But as you can see, it was restored and is back in the museum. Beautiful car. This car, however, was not restorable. 1984 Corvette, which was a pace car, and was not restorable, as well as this car that was not restorable. 2009. This was the 1.5 millionth Corvette made, and sadly this is how it sits. Oof. This car was actually a ZR1 prototype, which was not able to be restored. This is a 1 of 1, and man, it's done. Behind us, we've got all of the Corvettes. You've got the C1 back there, C2, C3, Hunter's Head, C4, C5, C6, all the way down to the C7. Personally, my favorite is the C6. I think the C6 Corvette, to me, was the best looking Corvette. Tell you what, comment down below and let me know what your favorite Corvette is out of all of the generations, or what's your special favorite edition Corvette, Lingenfelter, Callaway. Let me know what your favorite Corvette is. If you're into the Corvette, it's definitely a place you should check out and visit. Everything from the C1 to the C7 to limited editions to also the cars that were unfortunately damaged in the sinkhole. So we're leaving here right now, and we're gonna go check out a shop right down the street that specializes in some more Corvettes. So we're checking out Art's Auto Mart, which is right down the street from the Chevrolet Museum, and they've got tons of little nice cars on display. So we're gonna see what we can check out. Yo, this place is amazing. They've got tons of nice cars in here, and I just saw my favorite. Not my favorite color, but definitely one of my favorite cars. Yeah. Who, me? Look at this. There's High Rod. Yo, this thing is sick, yo. After seeing all of these cars, I'm thinking maybe I need to dig out the 66 Mustang coupe that I have collecting dust in my grandma's house and get it back on the road. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you think, and we'll see you the next time right here. Hot damn!
You took my line, so.
Well, say it.
I said hot damn.
Say it with some energy.
Nah.
Say it with some energy.
Shit's fake.
Say it with your chest.
Hot damn.